So many of you joining today are already part of our Connected Partner program, and now we're joined by Marco Oliveri, who joins us from Italy.
Yeah, hi Brian.
Hi Marco.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hope you're pleased. I've saved you as top of the bill. You're the last presenter, so you're the main man
Yeah,
here.
I have to stay on time, really.
So we're
I will
doing
go
well.
fast.
Obviously,
Yeah.
this is a great program. I know you're going to talk about, how you can use it to create more value for your customers. So I'm going to leave you to it. Thanks for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you very much, Brian, and good afternoon to everybody. So, first of all, it is important to understand what's the partner program for Cambium. The partnership that we have with our partner, the relationship that we built in the last year and that we will build in the next years is the fundamental part of our business, because without you, we won't be on the market. So that's the real key point of our message. And, we built this partner program with several things in our mind. First of all, joining the program means obviously having access to all our wide portfolio, which means, access points, fixed wireless access, switches, management platform, and all the beauty things you have seen also this afternoon. But, the channel program is not just a matter of discounts and price lists. Our channel portal and our channel program is meant to be the real tool to create the link with our partners. And frankly speaking, the channel management and the protection of the investment is the key point. Because, once a partner in the morning goes out and try to sell his solution that includes also Cambium Networks equipment, for us means that we have the sales force on the ground. We can grow together and we can really grab market share and we can invest more in the future. So that's a very important message. Another key point is also the support, because, we want to stay close to our partners, so to you, from the beginning of the sales cycle to the end. And also later on, after sales, so we want to leave you alone after the sales. So we have a post-sales support pretty complete with a lot of things and services. The training and learning part is another important milestone, because we want to have a community of partners that is skilled, that is excited to work for Cambium, and that knows everything about our portfolio and how to configure, manage, and monitor it. And also we developed a lot of tools free of charge that you can use to beat the competition, to win the deal. So let's go ahead on the main key point of our channel program, which is the channel protection, deal protection. Deregistration is the best tool for protecting your investment. So once you register a deal and you submit the application, we receive it, and that's a very good way to create the relationship from the beginning. So we can understand how to win the competition, how to win the deal, and most of all, you can have, once the deregistration is approved, the best pricing in the region. What does it mean? It means that you can keep your margin, because you have not only the best pricing in the region, you have also more margin that you can invest in the deal. And then once you get the deal, you are more excited to replicate the deal in that vertical or in another one. So join this program and use the deregistration. There is no minimum deal value, so you can use it also for small deals, SMB, small schools, and so on. And I'm pretty sure that you'll be 100% satisfied. As Rad said in the previous presentation, we work on verticals. Why? Because you are working on verticals. So your end user have some needs depending on the vertical they are. So you have to address those verticals with a complete solution, an end-to-end solution and an application. And that's the reason because we created so many programs inside the Connected Partner that can help you in addressing those end user needs. So let's start with an example. And by the way, we spoke about it several times this afternoon. Wi-Fi for You deployment, as all the other colleagues said, we won more than 1,700 municipalities. So here we are speaking about the public sector vertical. And by the way, we won all of them because of, the 100% requirement on the tender, but not only, we have the all-inclusive service, which means no recurrent fees for the end user. And that's a key point, obviously. Then there is all the, the effort that all the partners put on the ground to close the deal. But, having also extra features like high density on the access point or the embedded LTE filter in the outdoor AP or the IP67 is something really, really amazing. And, having one single panel of glass in cloud free of charge that you can use to manage all the solution, which means, access point, but also fixed wireless access. So if you want to extend the network, you can use that solution. As I said, we want to stay close to your end user. And so we launched several programs like the education one, like the hospitality one in the last years. And now we just launched the healthcare partner program. So if you are a partner that is mainly involved in the healthcare projects, please apply to this program so you can discover a lot of benefits like a dedicated discount for hardware and Maestro X or vertical collaterals like brochures, presentation. But, we want to support you from the beginning till the end with a dedicated support also post-sales. And by the way, we have our regional technical manager that are here to support you also in, the designing phase. And for our point of view, working for verticals means also creating a good partnership with our ecosystem community of partners. What does it mean? It means that if we want to address that vertical, we need to sell solutions. We need to sell applications and not only products or hardware. So it is important to have specialized channel partners, and you are there. We need to have a vertical segmentation focus, and that's the reason because we created our programs. And we need to have our ecosystem partners to work with and integrate the solution. So our pre-sales guys are here to help you in integrating those solutions with our equipment. Thanks to those partnerships, you can provide guest access, locationing, tracking, security, VoIP over Wi-Fi, a lot of things, So you can really go deeply inside and sell the solution to your end user. So if you want to join our program, so go into our partner portal. You can see all the tabs there, so you can also check the deregistration program or the Connected Partner program and so on. But click on specialty vertical market programs and apply for becoming part of those vertical programs. Having said that, another milestone is the learning, training, and education part. For our point of view, it's very important that our community of partners is skilled on Cambium equipment. Here we have created this portal, learning.cambiumnetworks.com. You can have access over there, and you can choose whatever path you like. So you can choose a product training, or you can choose to watch again a webinar recorded, or you can choose a learning path and get an exam. So very, very easy, but full of information. Last program that we just launched a couple of weeks ago is the MSP program. So if you are an MSP, that means that you are offering managed services with monthly, quarterly, or annual recurring revenues, and you have a NOC, you are the right partner for this program. And if you apply this program, you can benefit for different key points, like you can have discount services on Semester X without deregistration because of the type of business of the MSP. You can join our MSP advisory forum, for example, or you can have a free online sales and technical certification training, for example. Or we can sit down and understand how to reach the end user with a marketing campaign. So we spoke a lot about CM Maestro. And we have seen that now we have this powerful tool that can be used to onboard, to manage, to configure, to monitor all our portfolio, starting from the enterprise Wi-Fi, moving to the switching part, the fixed wireless in different frequencies, the IoT, and so on. You can see that now we have two different flavors. The Essential, which is the free of charge one, that, by the way, is pretty complete. But the CM Maestro X is the new version, a paid subscription version that includes a lot of advanced management capabilities. And plus, a Cambium Care Pro on all the devices. So you can have 24/7 technical support and a direct access to our layer 2 engineers. So if you want to understand better which are the X features and which are the features included in the Essential version, please go to our public website. You can download this data sheet, and this is just a screenshot. And where there is the X, you require the CM Maestro X subscription. By the way, just to let you an example, to give you an example, here you can see the three different licenses for the enterprise version. So you can choose, for example, for $100 price list, a license per device, 3 years. And that includes the advanced management features first. Includes the Cambium Care Pro, which means the priority to our layer 2 network engineer, and also the 24/7 support. And also it includes all the features that we will deploy from now till the end of your contract. So you can benefit not only on the advanced feature that you can see now in the data sheet, but you can also benefit from all the features that we will develop from now till the end of your contract. And that's a very, very fantastic point, no? Because you can have included the minor and major firmware updates, and also the new features that we are going to release. So having said that, let me go through also warranty and support. About warranty, here you can see the metrics with all the details about what we give you included in the hardware. And frankly speaking, is amazing, because apart from the PTP 670 and 820, the rest has minimum 3 years of included warranty. And there are some product family like Matrix or Pilot Indoor with 5 years, and Wi-Fi 6 Indoor, has the lifetime warranty, which means 5 years after end of support, which is, really, really amazing. On the other hand, our technical assistance center means that we can cover you 24/7. We have a free local phone number, and you can call whenever you want our TAC. But by the way, we have also our local pre-sales engineers, so the regional technical manager, that can support you from the beginning till the end of the project. So speaking about services, Cambium Care, we said that Cambium Care Pro is included in CM Maestro X, but if you want to have a higher level of services, you can choose the advanced version that includes also the next business day advanced replacement hardware, and or the Cambium Care Prime, which includes a kind of insurance called all risk advanced replacement that can solve every issue of your hardware, even lightning issues and so on. And you can have a direct contact also with our layer 2 engineers and all the account managers. Okay, just arriving to the end of my presentation. As Rad showed you, here you can see the sales cycle. And as I said at the beginning of my presentation, we want to stay with you from the beginning till the end. So when you are there to present the solution, we can give you some tools. As Rad said, you can use CM Maestro, you can use CM Maestro X that has 90 days of trial. You can use XMS, that, by the way, is free of charge if you purchase our Wi-Fi 6 demo kit. It's included. Then second part, designing. So using Wi-Fi Designer for creating the heat map, as Rad said. And by the way, Wi-Fi Inspector if you want to check if there is an interference or a rogue IP inside. Once you are ready, you can prepare your BOM, and then you can ask the distributor for a quote. But remember to register the deal for protecting your deal and getting your margin higher. At this point, you are there, no? You are close to win the deal, but for sure there is competition here and there, so it is important to understand if our solution is better or no. So you can check using the TCO profiler or the battle cards, and we just released some of them a couple of weeks ago, so we can define which are our strength point. And then, by the way, if the end user is not persuaded, you can run a POC, purchasing it at not for a sale pricing. At this point, you are, in a good position to win the deal. And, if you win the deal, we win the deal. So it's a win-win situation. Having said that, we put in place, as I said, this NFR program. You can download it by our portal. But we created some special Wi-Fi 6 demo kit. Here you can see the two of them. So the high end with the Super XV3 access point, and the other one is the entry level. But bear in mind that you can also ask for XMS free of charge included for 3 years with those demo kits. So just to summarize, you have seen how many things we have on the table, we are developing, and we will see in the future. But the most important part is that you have to trust in Cambium, because we are investing a lot in wireless. We have the wireless soul. Our R&D is focused on radio frequency, and we want to build really the wireless fabric, high performance, reliable, and scalable. Second point, as you have seen, we developed so many technologies, from the enterprise switching point-to-point, 60 gigahertz, now 5G fixed, the IoT, LT video surveillance. But it could seem a very complex world. But we love to be easy and to leave you an easy way to manage all these technologies. So we created CM Maestro and now CM Maestro X, which is the great tool to, in an easy way, manage the network in an affordable but with top performance way. And then last but not least, you are our family. So without you, we cannot really increase our market share, and we cannot win the deal. And so we do believe in our partnership from the beginning till the end. So please contact us, stay with us, and we'll win together for sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marco. I have had a question in, which you may feel you've covered to some extent, but if you could just explain. I've been asked by one of our partners, I guess, can you explain how you can protect our deals and our margins?
Okay, Brian. So thank you very much for this interesting question, because it's the key point of our message. So, frankly speaking, creating this relationship with the partner is our main goal. And in fact, to manage this deregistration tool, we had to, automate the process. So we have, in one side, an automated process. So once we receive a deregistration, we have a team of persons, the ICAMs, that manage every single deal. But that's the very key situation, because in this specific moment, the ICAM can call the partner and can understand together with the partner and maybe the distributor, if it is involved, how to win together the deal. So that's a very, very important part. So the ICAM can suggest also, the tools they can use, and also, all the the strategy they can put in place to win against the competition. But behind the ICAM, there is all the other sales team that can really manage some also channel conflicts that we can find here and there, because sometimes there is the carrier, some other situation, we have two different channels fighting for the same deal. So it's a matter of building the relationship with the partner, and follow the deal from the beginning till the end, as I said before.
Okay, well, thank you very much for that, and thanks for the presentation. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.